Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. Today we will see grammar, chapter 2, kinds of sentences. So children, we have completed the explanation of this chapter in the previous session. So today we will see about exercises. So you can see in your textbook page number 9 and 10, exercise 1. I will just read it out for you. Exercise 1. Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. You can see on the screen subject and predicate. Two divisions are there. So now one by one I will read the sentences. 1. The monkey has a long tail. 2. Ram has not done his homework. 3. You will please leave the room. 4. Who is hosting the dinner tonight? 5. She was a simple person. 6. The king has been merciful. 7. The iron box is very heavy. 8. Manisha always stands first in the class. 9. She gave me food to eat. 10. The stars twinkle at night. 11. Monkeys are intelligent animals. 12. The knight has a shining sword. 13. An eagle flies very high. 14. The cobra is the most poisonous snake. 15. The ostrich is the largest of all birds. 16. Aeroplanes fly high up in the air. 17. The young one of a cat is called a kitten. 18. Dogs live in kennels. 19. Wild animals are kept in cages. So children, this was exercise 1. Now we will start exercise 2, page number 10. Add predicates to the following subjects. So children, you already have in the textbook subjects in your exercise. So you have to write the predicate part. So I have prepared this exercise and I will read it. You can copy it. First, the saint stopped speaking and looked around him. 2. The poor cobbler burnt his finger. 3. My car is in the garage. 4. Mangoes are subject to seasonal availability. 5. Mrs. Briganza is a very good teacher. 6. Will she do her work properly? 7. The earth is round. 8. Dinner is ready for the guest. 9. Beggars are sitting outside the gate. 10. You must complete your homework. 11. Mary had a little lamb. 12. Humpty Dumpty can't be put back together again. 13. Make hay while the sun shines. 14. Milk is good for health. 15. Her parents are working in the hospital. 16. She talked as if she had been to China. 17. A flock of sheep 30 miles away was killed by the disease. 18. Monday is the first day of a week. 19. The lion is a king of the forest. 20. The soldiers are brave in our country. Now we will see exercise 3. Here in your textbook, page number 10, I am just read the heading. Here are sentences divided into subjects and predicates. The predicates are all mixed up. Match subject and predicates to make sensible sentence. So in this exercise I have already matched the sentences with the predicates. So I will read it for you, the correct one. So you can see in the predicate part the meaning sensible sentence. First, the greengrocer sells vegetables. 2. The chemist sells medicines. 3. The farmer is tilling the farm. 4. The pilot flies an aeroplane. 5. The peacock dances when it rains. 6. The ship sails in the sea. So children, these 3 exercises you have to write in your textbook, also in your notebook. Kindly write in the textbook with the pencil and in notebook with your gel pens. And read this exercise very carefully again and learn also. Thank you.